Climate change effects on Vietnam coastal zone. Welcome to this video on the impact of climate change on the coastal zone of Vietnam. Vietnam's long coastline stretches over 3,000 kilometers and is home to millions of people who rely on the coastal area for their livelihoods. Unfortunately, climate change has brought about significant changes in the coastal environment, threatening the livelihoods of millions of people. In this video, we will discuss the impact of climate change on the Vietnam coastal zone and what actions can be taken to mitigate these effects. Sea level rise is one of the most visible impacts of climate change in the Vietnam coastal zone. The rising sea level has led to increased coastal erosion and flooding in Vietnam, affecting the lives of millions of people who rely on fishing and farming as their primary source of income. The loss of arable land and fish stocks has created significant economic and social impacts in the coastal communities. Another impact of climate change is increased storm intensity and frequency. The frequency and intensity of storms have increased significantly in recent years, resulting in significant damage to coastal infrastructure such as houses, roads, and bridges. These storms have also led to increased erosion of the coastal zone and a loss of valuable farmland and fish stocks. Climate change has also led to the acidification of ocean water. The increased acidity of the ocean has resulted in the destruction of coral reefs and other marine habitats. This has negatively impacted fish stocks and the livelihoods of coastal communities that rely on them. Finally, climate change has led to significant changes in temperature and rainfall patterns in Vietnam. These changes have led to a loss of agricultural productivity, particularly in the Mekong Delta region. Increased temperatures have led to a loss of soil moisture, which has made it difficult for farmers to grow crops. Changes in rainfall patterns have also resulted in significant crop losses, leading to economic and social impacts in the coastal communities. In conclusion, the impacts of climate change in the Vietnam coastal zone are significant and require immediate action. Some of the actions that can be taken to mitigate these impacts include building sea walls and other coastal protection structures, improving coastal infrastructure, and reducing carbon emissions. It is essential to work together as a global community to mitigate the effects of climate change and protect the livelihoods of millions of people who rely on the coastal zone for their survival. Thank you for watching this video.